Hi, everybody. I'm very glad to meet you, and I'm sure you understood where I'm going with you about the musical therapy. The music, what is functions? It functions from the continent. So, what is the cultural impact on our health? Welcome to Objective Santé, your well-being channel, which is allowing you to understand that you may choose the noise you are listening because those noise have the impact on your life. And today we are going to our cultures to learn the impact of the music of your reality on you. And I pay a visit in the village of West Africa in Côte d'Ivoire. And I brought a plant to listen to the music of this village, of this land. It's a local language. But why did I choose this music? I went to this village and I discovered that this gentleman sings with his whole family. Himself, the conductor, his women's, the choreography, and the children are the dancers. And his little family of musicians arrived to liven up the village. The surrounding village, the foreigner who work in the various departments created there. The carted patient managed to come to the side. Patient who can't escape this stepped will move. This musical family creates the joys of living off the sick, develops the patient's life experiments. For those who are interested, you are looking for Petit Sory music in YouTube. You will see him at work. It's amazing. His music is here, religions, heroes. This music is adapted to their reality, to their cultures. It is therefore therapeutic to a large extent. This music uses instruments of their reality, words understood by the population, whole populations. What was meaning are their reality. A whole family that responded to their cultured family chosen. His family expresses the best being in Africa well-being. This family is an example for them, for their culture. They must form a family because in African regions, in West Africa, their example, their main idea, they must form a family. It's better for them. They must get married. When you are able to marry, but do it. They make children. They need to have many children. Hence, they speak their mother tongue. They may respect their mother tongue. They share with other family in these regions. And we must maintain the joys of seeing wherever you are. It's best to live in that village, in that region, because of the reality, the community life. So, how do instruments impact our health? In the second part. In these 5 videos, we will event together. We try together in the countries. In the United States, we chose jazz for our example. They have the instrument, violins, trumpet, piano, and also. We went to Europe together with the music of Mozart. There is classical music. They also have the instrument according to their length, according to their cultures. And we make stops with the religious. We have shortened the chanting, the psalmody of the current. Here again, the instrument is exclusively their voice code. And we come to an Africa village, to the end. They too have their own instrument specific to their cultures. Then we are consumers of music. We do not pay attention to the instrument, we use it. But when we ourselves are actors, we see that values of the instrument is active music therapeutic. How is active music therapeutic done? The patient is faced with a multitude of instruments. He is asked to choose a single instrument from the lot. There are tam-tam, balafon, piano, violins, guitar, and also. You will quickly realize that our patient will make his choice according to the creations that defined him. This chosen instrument will direct us to the therapeutic he needs, really. If he chosen an instrument from Africa, now that the solution to his music therapeutic is in Africa, quite simply. For example, your patient chooses the balafon to play. From the history of the balafon, from the origin of the balafon, from his experience, we find the thread of this best musical therapeutic. The instrument to choose direct the doctors on what is going to impact the subconscious of his patient. You have just discovered that here are 2 parts to music therapy possible. Music therapy is what we do with our plant. There is active music therapy. Here the patient will choose the instrument and the patient will play the instrument. This way of playing will also give information about him, his mind, his stress, and especially his therapeutic needs. For a long time, I stopped musical therapy in my treatment room. It's too complicated for me. I haven't any time to look for the choice of music, to look for the instrument before carrying up of my patient. It's too long for me and very complicated. Here is the end of our subject, and we discover that we may choose your music as you chose your food to eat. It's the same. We are consuming music. We are consuming food. We are consuming our friends. You may choose also your friends. They will help you to recover when you are sick or to avoid plenty of problems in that world. Thank you very much. See you for the next video.